Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another video here for y'all. As you can see, this Prius right now is running kind of fine. You can hear some type of noise coming from the engine, but I can move from that. As you can see, this wire right now is holding everything together, but as soon as I pull this wire out, you see, so now it's back to normal, man. But I did get this vehicle in, and it was misfiring excessively. So I'm gonna tell you what I did. I tried replacing all these oils, coils, spark plugs, replace injectors. I don't even want to tell you guys to what extent I went to get this car figured out, but after pulling out my schematic and looking at the wires and everything, I saw that, and try to check these ignition wires. They were all good. I checked all these, but seemed like I was really having issues with cylinder number 4 mostly, and cylinder number 3. So I did a lot of digging. I replaced this third injector right here. It was bad, and I checked for continuity on each wire, and it seemed like this. I found out that this wire, it didn't seem like this wire was not having continuity. As you can see, this red wire poking out right here. If you come back, you can see I'm probing it. No, I'm probing the blue wire. Let's see something. I was probing the wrong wire, because that blue one was for cylinder number 3, and this red wire is for cylinder number 4. So I found out that there was no continuity from that wire to the injector. So I just added this wire right here to see if my troubleshooting was correct. Now I just need to route a new wire from here all the way to the ECM. So just wanted to show you guys how I diagnosed this vehicle, and now it's good. Man, I promise you that this vehicle right here will have people replacing an engine and not be able to fix it unless you go and check the wires, continuity, your parts, so you can really try to make it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video or learned something new. But good luck, and see you on the next one.